Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Board. This is series of UI technologies and this is part 18. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to learn very important point. What is that? Div tag. Okay. Please pay attention. This is very important tag in HTML. Now what is div tag? Div is a box, or we can say div is a container. Div is a container. Now complete HTML divided into parts, nothing but box. Okay, complete HTML divided into parts, nothing but box. Complete HTML architecture is divided into multiple parts. So let me help you with pictorial representation. I have already explained web page is nothing but these four things. What is header, header, then we have menu, then we have body, and here we have footer. Okay, these four things, sorry, these four things combinedly called as web page. So we can say that HTML architecture is combination of boxes, different boxes. How we create container with the help of div tag, with the help of div tag. Okay, for your better understanding, I have one picture. Please observe this picture so that you can understand properly. See here. This is one HTML web page. Okay, HTML web page is combination of header, then this is body, okay, and then we have footer. Here you can observe this is one container, this is another container, and this is another container. What do we have in these containers? We have HTML elements in this container. Okay, I hope now you have better understanding what is architecture of HTML. Architecture of, we can say, HTML architecture is combination of multiple containers or boxes. Okay, now let's experience the same with practical example with coding. Coding is very important. We have editor, notepad plus plus editor. Okay, so what I'm going to do, HTML opening and HTML closing, declaring, and this is HTML file. Okay, now lang is equals to, sorry, lang equals to English, then we have header, header, then slash header, sorry, opening head tag, closing head tag, then we have body, another closing part of the body. In head section we have title, title, learning, div tag, okay, closing, title, then we have meta tag. Meta is nothing but data about data. Meta declares technical information to browser. What is that? Author is Mohsin, and then content is container, or we can say HTML architecture. Okay, then we have character set. Our set is equals to UTF-8. Okay, then title opening and closing, because title is paired tag. Okay, div tag, this is our title. Now come in body part. We have h1 opening, h1 closing, and here we have the coding board. This is our heading. Now what I am going to do, I am taking one paragraph, then closing paragraph. This is our small YouTube channel. Okay, then I am taking one div tag, div closing div, because div is pair tag. We need your support. Then I am taking another paragraph tag. Okay, here, your feedback is precious. This is our HTML code. Let's save the code. Div tag dot html, this is name of the our HTML file. Here, div tag dot html. Okay, now let's execute the code. Understood? See here what I am doing, I am removing div tag. I am putting it into paragraph. I am removing closing div tag, I am putting into paragraph. Okay, now let's save the code. Now set this default for better understanding, improving the size of the page. Okay, just focus here, where just focus this part. What will happen, I am going to refresh the web page. See here what happened. Wait a minute. So here we have p tag. Okay, save the code, let's merge this. Okay, let's merge this. Now observe what will happen. This is complete one paragraph. Okay, now I am going to make use of div tag. Where? Here. See here, div opening, and here div closing. This is one paragraph and this is one paragraph. Okay, now observe. Let me save the code. Observe, I am going to refresh the page. Here, see, we have this one paragraph tag, then div tag, then paragraph tag. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to make use of style tag. Style slash style tag. Okay, here what I am doing, I am taking div tag, div opening and closing curly braces, display block, semicolon. Let me save the code. Okay, code is saved. Now what I am doing, observe, background color blue, semicolon. Let's save the code. Here observe, I am refreshing the page. Got it? This is paragraph tag, this is paragraph tag, but it has taken div tag and it has used background blue color. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of color red. Save the code. Now understood? See, color is red. Now what I'm doing, I am removing style tag. Okay, and here I am taking one div tag, some xyz information. Okay, br, then some xyz information, then br, then some xyz information, then closing div tag. Okay, and here save the code and observe, this is one paragraph, div paragraph, and this is complete div tag here. Okay, now what I am doing, I am again using style tag, display block. What I am having in style, I am having div display block. Observe, I am refreshing the page. Now I am making use of background color is equals to blue. Save the code and execute. Got it? Automatically the part which comes under div tag, that part got background blue color. Okay, now what I am doing, color is equals to white. See here, save and refresh the page. See here, color is white. Now let's make it red. Let's save the code and execute the code. See here, automatically the content which is under div tag, that will have this particular style. Why? Because we have used div in style. We are giving style for which element? All div element. Okay, so the moral of the story is, if we want to give particular style for particular part, then we have to use that those parts in div tag, so that if we change coding in style, then that will be applied to all div tags. And another important thing is, HTML architecture contains boxes, multiple boxes. This is one box, this is one, this is one, this is one, footer is another box, correct? So in this way we can say that HTML page is divided into multiple boxes, and box is nothing but container. Box is equals to container, container is nothing but div. Understood? I hope now you have better understanding. Please observe this picture so that you will have better understanding. Okay, that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.